Are you thinking, why should I invest in CNC probes? I am not a large organization. What is your answer to the next set of questions? Is your rework rate more than 5%? Do you have rejection or scrap rate of more than 3%? Is your machine downtime at least 30 minutes to 1 hour per day? Have you answered yes to any or all of the above questions? Now if your component price is 10 per unit and machine hourly rate is 400 per hour, then you are easily losing 300 to 500 per day due to rework, rejection or scrap and machine downtime. For 1 year this is like losing nearly 1 lakh rupees. By investing in CNC probes, you will save 70 to 80% of this cost. Our customers have got 3x returns in less than 1 year by investing as little as 25,000 in our Manleo CNC probes. Apart from financial value, your operator's work environment will improve, thereby increasing their job satisfaction and morale. We are serving customers with single CNC machines to several hundred CNC machines. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. Write to us at sales@manleo.com or visit our website www.manleo.com.